Let's stir up this crispy kale salad that is so good to have in the summer or winter months. What you need for this is 1 bunch of kale, which is about 5 cups of kale, 1 cup shredded carrots, 2 diced pears, 2 diced apples, 1 diced fennel, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 2 teaspoon maple syrup, 2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. So let's get started. First, you're going to take your kale, wash it really well, and then chop it up. And then you're going to add your shredded carrots. I bought the shredded carrots just like this, but you can certainly shred carrots yourself at home as well. Then you're going to add your fennel. Again, you want to cut the fennel really small so it's in every bite that you take of this delicious salad. Now I'm going to be adding my apples and my pears. Again, as you can see, I've diced them really small. And now we're going to add our roasted pumpkin seeds and dried cranberries. You don't need any other nuts in here, so just stick to these. And you're going to add your maple syrup to this, which just adds a nice bit of sweetness to the salad. And then you're going to add your balsamic vinegar. Again, you can do 1 tablespoon or 2 if you like. And then you're going to do about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil as well. These ingredients come so well together, and every time I've made the salad, it's honestly treated like a main. Just toss it really well. With kale lettuce, you just got to toss a bit extra to make sure that the oils and the vinegar gets really deep into each and every piece of the kale lettuce. And then you're going to let this chill probably for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving it for best results, just a tip. So I usually put this in the fridge for about 15 minutes and then I serve it to my guests, but you can certainly have it at room temperature. That's just how I like it. And there you go, our salad is ready. Here is a serving side just to show you. You can have it as a main or a side dish. I am listing the ingredients for you once again to screenshot. Definitely try the salad out, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or comments. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.